We'll guide you through how to transfer a Minecraft world to another PC or computer. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've been working on a world and now you want to go and give this to a friend, or perhaps you've gone and upgraded your computer, or you've got another one where you want to go and have the world. It doesn't matter, we'll guide you through how you can go about this. So this is the world I want to do this with. So now what you can do is you can come and close out of the world like so. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. Right now, you can get 25% off your first order, so it's definitely worth going and checking them out, as you can then easily go and have a lag-free customizable server ready in minutes. So you can go and scroll down as well and start checking out some of their great features like a free subdomain and limited slots, 24/7 servers and support so you can get the help anytime you need it, and automated backups and much more. So check them out down below. Now to continue with the guide, what you need to do is first of all come back to the main menu and you want to just go and note down the version. So you can see this is for Minecraft 1.21.11. So you ideally want to then be running that same version on the other computer. I'll show you how to do it though, do not worry. And what you can do is come to single player and find the world. Here it is. Now, what you're going to want to do is go and select it, and you want to go down here and you want to go and press edit like so. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and find the option for open world folder. Go and click there, and then your file explorer is going to go and open up, and you're going to go and see all of these files here. Now, don't get overwhelmed. Do not worry. We're going to guide you through what you need to know here. So these are all of the folders and files which make up the world. At the top, you want to go up to your file explorer and you'll find the option for saves, which you can then click on, and you'll then go and see the world folder here. Now, yours may have a better name than mine. Mine is literally new world, brackets 44, as I've got a lot of repeats of that same name, as that's the default name. It doesn't really matter. And then what you're going to want to do here is go and right click on it, and you want to go and find the option for copy, like so. So you've now copied it. Now, what you can do is we can just go and come out of Minecraft, and I'll come out of all of here. And on your desktop, you can then go and right click, and then you can go and paste, or you can press Ctrl V. So I've got this pop up here and it's asking me to go, and I've got this error. So what you can do is you can press try again. Otherwise, what we need to do is make sure we go and close Minecraft. So now that we've copied it, you can come and close Minecraft, press cancel. And then what we'll do is go and right click again, and then we'll go and press paste. And now it's gone and pasted the folder. So it just needs to go and close Minecraft there. It may go somewhere else on your desktop, but just go and find it. So now to go and transfer this, the easiest thing you want to do is go and turn it into a zip file, because if it's just a folder, it can be annoying to go and transfer. So what you then want to do is go and right click on it like so, and you want to go and press or hover over compress to, and you can then select a zip file like so. Now go and wait, and there it is. So we've now got it as a zip file. This makes it much easier to go and transfer to other computers. Now what you want to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome. And what you want to do is go and type in Drive. So with Google Drive, we can actually go and transfer this to another computer, whether it's a friend or ours. So you can then come to Drive. You can always go and type in drive.google.com. And then when you're here, you can go and press New in the top left, and you can go and press File Upload. Your file explorer is going to go and open up, and what you can then do is go and find the zip. So you can go and find it on your desktop. New world, here it is. You can then go and press open, hover over it, and you want to go and press the show file location button here. Then you can go and right click on it, hover over share, and then go and click share. And then what you can do here is you can go and change the access. You can go and add people here, but I prefer just to go and grab the link. So change it from restricted to anyone with the link. Then you can press copy link like so. Now what you can do is you can go and give that link to somebody else who wants the world, or what you can do is you can just go and log into this Google account on the other computer. Now for the part where you're on your other computer, or this may be your friend. So if it's your friend, what you need to do is go and give them that link you went and copied. If you went and did it on your own computer, then what you can do is go and sign into your Google account, go to Google Drive, and you can then go and find the folder. So that's what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is go and open up Drive like this. Then when you're here, we need to go and locate it. So you should be able to easily find it on the home. Otherwise, you can just go and search for the name. So mine was New World 44. You want to select it, and you want to go and press the download button at the top like so. We can then press download anyway. I know it's safe. I went and created it myself. Now you can go and see that it's downloading. and it now is finished. So what you can then do is go and open up your file explorer like so. You want to go and press downloads to the left, and then you're going to go and have the zip here. Now it's really important to note we're going to need to extract this. So with it selected, you want to press extract all at the top. Then you'll get this pop up and you want to press extract. It shouldn't take long to complete. Now you're going to have this folder here. So if you go and press our downloads to the left, you'll have it. So then what you want to do is you want to come into the folder and double click again. There may be a folder in a folder which you don't want. When you go and double click on it, you want to go straight into the world files. So now that we've got that, what you can do is go and right click on it and you can go and press on copy. And then what you can do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher. Now I actually already have it open. And what you want to do is go and press installations at the top. You want to go and hover over the latest release installation. It doesn't really matter the installation you use, to be fair. It should all take you to the same files, unless you've gone and done a custom install. So otherwise, just use the latest release. That's probably the safest option. Then you can press open installations folder. This will open up, and what we then need to do is go and find the saves. Come into saves like so, and you can then right click and you can go and press paste, and there it is. You can go and change the world name here if you wanted to. Then you can go and press play and it should go and load. It's now loaded, and if we press single player, you should then go and see the world here. You can then select it and press play selected world, and it will go and open up, and you've now successfully transferred it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.